A couple of logs here. 2 1-inch floor flanges, one 1-inch by 6-inch nipple, 3.5-inch construction screws. Now if you don't have a drawing knife, which I don't, then a really big chisel, chainsaw, and a scale. Wood planer, belt sander. So I've got Phillips screwdriver there. Got a really small nail set. I'm gonna place it about where I think the metal is. Right there. And about where I think the metal is here. And just kind of move this, spin it a little bit, just to see. Yeah, that's pretty close. I'm gonna say that's good enough. So now I'm gonna push a hole, or push it down, so it makes a mark. So it's made a bit of a mark here, and that's where I'm gonna center the flange.